welcome to my channel. Today, we are embarking on a very exciting project together. We have the Tamiya 1988 Porsche 911 Turbo Plastic Model Kit, and we're going to take a closer look at this fantastic model. But this time, we're going to take a slightly different approach. Instead of building the standard version, we will be creating a Porsche 911 Turbo Targa. I am looking forward to your contributions to this project. Please share your suggestions in the comments about what color we should use for this model. Additionally, I would love to hear your ideas about what modifications we can make during the building process. Together, we can make this project even more special. First, let's take a look at what's inside the box. As always, Tamiya has provided a kit with parts that feature excellent details. The quality and detail of these parts are truly impressive. There will be some important points to consider during this project. Specifically, while making the Targa version, we will need to make some modifications and adjustments. During this process, I will need your help and suggestions. Initially, we will carefully examine the parts inside the kit and decide which parts need to be changed from the standard turbo model. For the Targa version, we will especially need to redesign the upper and rear sections. At this stage, we might need to make some additional parts or modify the existing ones. Color selection is also a crucial part of this project. Should we go with the classic colors of the Porsche 911 Turbo, or choose a more modern and striking color? I want to hear your thoughts on this. Share your color suggestions in the comments, and we will proceed with the most popular choice. Furthermore, I will provide information about some special techniques and materials we will use during the building process. There are specific points we need to pay attention to, especially regarding painting and detailing. I will be with you at every step of this project, and we will progress together step by step. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Let's follow this project together and be part of it every step of the way. I wish you all an enjoyable viewing experience.